Hi everyone, my name is Lucas from Flowstar. Today I'll be running through some more advanced variations of the flowers. So I have two previous videos that I would recommend watching as a lead up to this one, beginner flowers and intermediate. This one is going to be more complicated and there's going to be many more sequences. I still struggle with this move, so if you find these difficult, that is hopefully the point. What I did so far is these ones, kind of continuous flowers, and these ones were intermediate. Now, the reason why this is intermediate is because gravity is working with you. The whole idea of advanced flowers is that gravity is not working with you. So there's two variations that I've come up with so far, is you can come in from the top rather than letting it fall on, or you can do it in wall plane, like on the vertical plane. So just a brief demo, this is coming in from the top. That's not bad. So I'm going to do a brief description for each of those two variations, one for the top down one and one for the vertical one. And then I'll show you how to link that into some combos. So for the top down one, you start with a horizontal figure 8, and on your release, you want to make sure it's spinning pretty decently fast, a medium to fast speed. The reason why that is the faster it spins, the more it will wrap around your fingers, and therefore the more it will unwrap. It's kind of like, it's just the momentum of the pinch. So, a little bit of extra spin, come in and give it a pinch. Make sure you do that both hands and both directions. Now, there is a fun little variation that you can do. It's like a top-down pinch stall. When you've pinched it, when it's completed the wrap, you can actually just put it on the ground and it will basically halt the entire move. So toss, pinch, ground. And you can keep this here forever. It's like in a pause. And say there's a lead up in the music and then it's like starting to build up and then the drop. You pick it up, untwist and keep it going. That is a very fun move. If you've got another friend, you can actually do this. You let go, you can just leave it there in a little wrap. Someone comes along, picks it up and keeps it unspinning. Keeps it spinning. It's a very fun move. Back on the horizontal one, this is what will happen to you a lot, because it's happened to me and it's happened to other people I've taught. It's completely normal. You're going to come in and you're just going to push it to the ground. That's going to happen a lot. Just keep persevering. It is a very fun move once it clicks. For the vertical, whichever hand you're deciding to pinch with, make sure to toss it from the other hand. I think it is possible from like the same hand, but that's a lot to that's a very quick turnaround from the toss to the pinch. So, for example, I'm going to start with a reverse vertical figure 8 on my left hand. I'm then going to flick it in front of my body with not too much sideways momentum. Kind of wants to stay semi-isolated so that when you go in for your pinch, it will wrap around your fingers. So here we go. When you do your toss, it's in this area. Another way to get into the trick is from your vertical pinch. And at some point, when you decide to do it, you can then do the same motion. This is one of the combos I really like. You do a pinch with one hand, but then untwist it going around your leg. So it looks like this. Something like that. So you can toy with that. More combos to try is just find interesting ways to release it going in different directions. So for example, going behind the neck or passing it to someone else. So that has been Advanced Flowers. Feel free to keep exploring this. I definitely don't pretend to know all the different variations and I'd love to see what you guys come up with. If you like the video, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you in another video. Ciao.